In this month, we're giving away a gift, a coffee machine. For winning this, you need to do one thing. You have to go to our channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button for getting notification about our next videos, about the prize too. And one more thing, please leave a comment for writing, I want this coffee machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cook Gyros or Gyro, depend where you are. People pronounce it different way. This is one of the most popular Greek recipe or Greek dish. Okay, let's do it. Okay, for this we're gonna need meat. I have properly chopped or smashed meat, 750 grams, good quality beef. If you want, you can cook with mutton or other meat too, or lamb. Okay, I have 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. I take half piece of onion, medium size of onion, a piece of garlic, okay, and rosemary, some pieces, maybe 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, depend which quantity you want to put. More things, I have salt here for salt to taste. Black pepper I'm gonna put later in this. I have cumin seed here. I will smash this and I will add later. And one more thing, oregano. You need 2 to 3 tablespoons or less, depend on your taste. Okay, I will take 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Okay, I want a strong flavor, Greek flavor. 1 teaspoon and a little bit more. And I will smash. As you can see. Okay, the cumin seed is done. I smashed properly, as you can see. Now I'm gonna add in the meat. Okay, I think it's fine, all of them. I'm gonna add breadcrumbs in this. 3 tablespoons. Okay, I feel a little bit more, so I leave 2.5. Okay. Now I will take my garlic and I will smash with some machine. You can do by your hand or you can chop with knife. Okay, I will take my rosemary as this, maybe 1 teaspoon, a small spoon. Take them all. And I will chop them in small pieces. Okay, I will add them, not all of them. I will leave little bit for later purpose. Now, I'm gonna add oregano. One tablespoon. Okay. And I need onion. Okay, as you can see, my onion is here, scraped onion, or you can finely chopped onion by knife. And I'm trying to take out all the liquid from it. As you can see, all the juice of it, almost. Okay, here you can see. And this onion, I'm gonna add in my meat. Half onion, a big size of onion, half is enough. Now, you can use a food mixer for mix this one. I'm gonna use my hand for mix this properly, okay? One more thing, the salt that I forget almost, salt to taste. And one more thing, most important thing, this one, black pepper. That is fine, I think. And I'm gonna use my hand, mix it properly. Take your time, relaxly. At the time of mixing, I feel that I need more breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'm gonna add all of that I have and try to mix it. So I take a pan, a pudding pan or cake pan, and I'm gonna add my meat in this slowly, gently. Okay, by the hand, you can use your hand, give it a perfect shape. I put as this, and I'm gonna add all the rosemary that I had on this, as this, on this, for give it a beautiful design or shape. Okay, and I'm gonna cook in 350 degree, okay, for 30 minutes. Okay, and after 30 minutes I'm gonna flip that out and put in another pan for cook 30 minutes more. So totally 1 hour. Okay. Okay, after 30 minutes, here we are. It's cooked, I think almost 70%. What I will do, I will take another pan and I will try to take this. So I flip this up and I'm gonna cook this more 20 to 30 minutes. Time to time you have to check at the middle. It should not be burned. Okay. It looks so much delicious and tender. Okay, maybe 20 minutes more. But these 20 minutes should be in low flame. Okay, here we are, guys. It's done. As you can see, I have all the things prepared. I have bread. If you want to check recipe of pita bread, check our page for the recipe of Greek pita bread. And the sausages too. We have tzatziki sauce, especially for hero. And my hero is done. I cut some onion in pieces and some tomato for prepare a good hero. Now I'm gonna cut my meat slice. As you can see, it's a bit hard but juicy and tender. It's cutting as piece of cake. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna take a tissue paper and I will put my pita bread. I'm gonna add my tzatziki sauce in this, straight in a line at the middle. As you see how creamy the sauce is. Okay, I'm gonna put my hero in this. I'm gonna add some tomato in this, some onion. You can add spice as you want. Okay, more sausage on the top, good amount. What I will do, I will try to make a cone exactly. Here we go. Okay, as you see, it looks so much delicious. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to our channel and please check other recipe too. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Bye bye.